The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to carefully inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the handle. Now I'll remove the tension from the carbon brushes. I'll place the brush tension spring off to the side of the brush and pull the brushes away from the armature. Next, I'll separate the gearbox and armature assembly from the motor housing. Now I'll lift the motor housing away from the handle. Now I'll disconnect the wires that lead to the brush holders. And I'll disconnect the field wires from the switch. The white field wire is connected to the switch with what's called a trap door connection. To release it, I'll insert a pin in the small hole next to the wire. Then I can remove the wire from the switch. Now I can remove the field. I'll pull the wires away from the housing, and then I'll tap the housing against my workbench to slide the field out. Now I can install the new field. I'll insert the field into the housing with the black wire next to the model number label. I'll insert the wires through the openings in the back of the housing. And then I'll press the field into the housing. Now I'll route the wires back through the housing. Now I'll reconnect all the wires. The white wire to the bottom of the switch, the black wire to the top of the switch, the black brush wire to the lower brush holder, and the red wire to the upper brush holder. And now I need to place the wires back into the housing. I want all the wires tucked out of the way so they don't get pinched when I reinstall the other half of the housing. Now I'll reinstall the baffle and slide the armature into the motor housing. You may need to pull the brushes away from the armature. And I'll re-secure the gearbox to the motor housing with the screws. And now I'll place the brush springs back over the top of the brushes. And now I'll reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new field in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up